Today we're making a cucumber chickpea salad bowl that's cool, crisp, easy, and perfect for warm days. Cucumbers, chickpeas, tomatoes, and a simple dressing come together quickly for a fresh bowl full of texture and flavor. Start by adding the cucumbers, chickpeas, tomatoes, and onions together while everything stays cool, crisp, and fresh. A simple lemon and olive oil dressing keeps the salad light, bright, and easy to enjoy without overpowering the vegetables. Fresh vegetables, hearty chickpeas, and a light dressing make this bowl simple, filling, and refreshing. Cool, crisp, and simple, with fresh flavor that makes this bowl easy to enjoy anytime. Before you go, you'll find the full recipe in the pinned comment. I'll see you next time with another simple and flavorful idea.